Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Schooling Street. In this video tutorial, you will learn about how to enable hotspot of your laptop's Wi-Fi so that your internet connection can be shared with other devices. Or simply you can say how to share your internet connection of your laptop's Wi-Fi or internet connection with other devices. Before starting, please subscribe to this channel for future videos. Let's start. First of all, you need to right click on your Wi-Fi signals or Wi-Fi icon. After this, select Open Network and Internet Connection. After this, you will see this window. From this window, you have to select Mobile Hotspot. After this, you can see Share my internet connection with other devices. You need to turn it on. After this, you will see this option. Network name, network password, network band. If you want to change, you can edit these options. After this, you may write any name that you want to be used. For example, I write laptop. After this, you can change the password. After this, you can change the network band. I recommend you to use any band because 5G, 5 GHz and 4 GHz can be accessed from different devices. Few devices don't support 5 GHz and few devices don't support 2.5 but 4 GHz. So you need to select any available. After this, select save, and now your Wi-Fi internet connection has been shared with other devices through Wi-Fi or through hotspot, mobile hotspot. After this, you can use this network to connect internet connection of your laptop with other devices. Now we will see how to turn on or how to connect Wi-Fi internet connection of this name with your mobile devices or other. Let's see.
Now, this is my mobile device. I want to connect my laptop's internet connection with my mobile phone. I open Wi-Fi. After this, my mobile device is connected with YouTube_schooling street. I want to connect it with the laptop. You can see my laptop is connected with same network, YouTube_schooling street. I disconnect this one and want to connect with laptop. Click on laptop. After this, put the password that you see on network password on your laptop. That is 128. After putting, select on or click on connect. After this, you will see the laptop connection has been connected with your device. Now I want to use the internet. So let's open anything. For example, Google. You can see it's working. I search for Schooling Street on YouTube, and you can see my channel is on at top. Similarly, you can use your laptop's Wi-Fi connection with other devices. In this way, you can share your laptop's Wi-Fi connection with other devices. If you found any error, please comment below. Hope so you enjoyed this video. Please thumb up and comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.